Hello everyone, and welcome to another art tutorial with Adobe Creatives. In this video, we're going to learn how to outline a complex shape in Adobe Illustrator. If you've watched our video titled, How to Create Objects, Shadows, and Highlights in Adobe Illustrator, you should have a basic understanding of adding colors in Illustrator. Now, it's time to take it up a notch by giving your art that extra pop with a bold outline. So, why bother with a thicker outline? Well, look at these two versions of a leprechaun drawing side by side, one with a bold outline and one without. You can see that the thicker line adds contrast. It also pulls in more attention, making your artwork stand out. Let's practice this technique with a drawing of a four-leaf clover. First things first, always make sure your art is neatly grouped. Just hit the Ctrl+G key and you're good to go. Now copy your artwork with a Ctrl+C, head over to the Pathfinder panel and hit Unite. This combines all the bits into one solid piece. Next, check that your outline profile is set to uniform under the Stroke tool and ensure the color is black. Now let's tweak the stroke settings. Set it to round cap, round corner, and select Align Outline to Outside. Adjust the weight of the outline to your liking. Don't forget to paste the copy you made earlier back in the same spot. If you want, you can group them again for good measure. And there you have it. You're done. Remember that practice is key to improving on your art journey, so do not feel discouraged if you do not get it right the first time. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with different tools and shapes to see what effects you can create.
Please like this video and subscribe to Adobe Creatives for more art content.